Most AI pitches start with the technology. This one starts with your economics. You are being asked to build an AI practice in a market that is skeptical and tired of demos. So don't start with a big customer promise. Start by proving it inside your own business first. Look at the market you are selling into. Customers have heard the AI pitch and they want proof, not potential. And they are right to be wary because a lot of AI projects are struggling to show payback. They are pointed at incomplete data, vague use cases, and poor adoption. Customer engagement is one of the few places you can test the value quickly because the measures already exist. Resolution, response time, churn risk, cost to serve. Start there. Earn the rest. The missing piece is usually not the model, it is the conversations. Voice, WhatsApp, SMS, web chat, email. The things customers actually said. Most of it never reaches Dataverse, so Copilot and the agents are working off half a customer record. Solgari fixes that. It writes every interaction into Dataverse, in your tenant against the customer. That turns Microsoft AI from a clever assistant into something that can actually understand the customer relationship. So what is Solgari? In short, it turns Microsoft Teams or Dynamics 365 into a complete customer engagement platform in days. The important thing is what it is not. It is not another app or login. It extends the Microsoft workplace your people already live in. It adds the channels Microsoft does not give you out of the box. Voice, SMS, WhatsApp, social, web chat. So your team handles every conversation from one screen with full history, built and hosted natively on Azure, deployed straight into the Teams app and all your Dynamics 365 apps. That matters for adoption. Because there is no new tool, people pick it up immediately, and you get to business impact in days. The AI is built in. Chatbots and voicebots handle the routine queries as self-service, which lifts customer satisfaction and takes cost out of the operation. When a query needs a person, it passes to a live agent with the full conversation, so the customer never repeats themselves, and every interaction is transcribed, summarized, and sentiment tagged. Underneath all of it, Solgari captures everything into Dataverse. So you are not just running a contact center inside Microsoft. You are building the conversation data layer that makes your Copilot and your AI agents actually work. To show you what that unlocks, meet Kincora, a mid-market Microsoft partner, the sort you will recognize. Managed services, projects, hardware, licensing. We built 600 customer conversations across 18 months. 5 service lines, 5 regions, 5 channels. The names are made up. The patterns are real. Here is an AI agent reasoning over the lot. First, the view a service leader can't get from a dashboard. Across all our conversations, which accounts are showing signs of frustration or disengagement that our tickets and SLA reports would miss. Watch what it finds. The accounts most at risk are often the ones that sound perfectly calm on the surface. Now, the growth view. A customer told us they wanted AI for their sales team, and it never crossed their mind to ask us. So, how often are customers raising AI with us, and what are they actually asking for? This is demand we are already being handed, hidden in conversations nobody logged. Now go right down to the front line. A new account manager has just taken over Cobalt systems. Instead of trawling notes in CRM, they just ask, "Give me a brief." What do we do for them? What have they raised lately? What's the tone? 90 seconds and they walk in prepared. That's the whole point. 1 corpus, 2 levels of value, leadership oversight for the patterns across every account, and the individual contributor for the detail on one account. The leader sees the trend across hundreds. The account manager sees the detail on one. Same conversations both times. None of this is a big bet. Switch on Solgari and the conversations start landing in Dataverse. Drop in the pre-built starter agent. No heavy build. Test it, read-only against your own data for 30 days. Then let the data decide. If it shows you risk and demand you couldn't see before, you have proof in your own business. If it doesn't, you stop. A quick, honest no is fine. Here's the sensible path. Horizon 1. Prove it on yourself. 30 days. Read-only low cost. Horizon 2. Turn that proof into your own Microsoft AI project. Service agents, quality agents, account intelligence, all working over the complete customer record. And you own the economics. Horizon 3, package the method and sell it to your customers as a managed service, not another license resale, a recurring, higher margin service on the Microsoft stack. You don't need to bet the business. You switch it on and test it honestly. If you want to understand more, talk to us.